What's up guys, it's Grant here from Always Adventuring. We are at Palouse Falls State Park today. We're going to be checking out Palouse Falls. It's one of the most popular, well-known, most photographed falls in all of Washington. You've probably seen pictures on Instagram before. So stick around, it's going to be a really great video. And I'm really excited. I've never been here before, and it's really the first real adventure I've done in Spokane area, which is where I'm going to college right now at Gonzaga, if you didn't know that already. So stay tuned, it's about to be a great one. We'll make our way down there and we'll just wait for all this fog to clear. It's perfect. Oh boy. Well, all right. Damn, that went really far down there.
That was crazy.
I dodged it though. All right, check out what we just went through. Look at that crevasse. We just got through that and now opens up to some more foggy goodness. Normally I wouldn't recommend doing hikes along cliffs when you can't see, but this is a once in a lifetime opportunity, so we got to do it. Whoa. Whoa. Dang, I see why they closed these trails. Look at this. All this rock just fell over the trail. That's not very safe. There you have it, folks. The falls is starting to come into view now that the clouds are burning off. Alright, so I know once I get closer to the falls it's going to be really loud, so I'm going to wrap up the talking portion of this vlog now and just get you a video. I'm going to take a lot of pics and I will meet up with you guys when I'm hiking back up. Alright, we're currently walking on a 200-foot cliff. It's really scary but really sick. You can see that's the cliff right there. And yeah, pretty insane. That is really scary. Holy cow. Oh my god. We're right at the top. This is, do not try this at home. Oh my god. We didn't get hurt. Thank goodness. At least I think. I don't know where Jared went. Hopefully he's on the other side of this big rock up here. We're climbing back up. As long as we don't cause a rock slide on Jared's head, then we'll be just fine. Dang. Whoa. Almost fell. Alright, we good. awesome adventure.
Best day ever.
Pretty much. Nah, it's not closed. Actually, I got this wrong. This is supposed to be Grant and Jared's trail. Alright, so we just checked out this little, it's like Lions, what's it called?
Lions Ferry.
We just checked out Lions Ferry State Park. Really pretty.
More of a swimming hole.
Yeah, it's more of like a place you'd come and swim in the summer, but it's a good little side trip.
People in here. Store and restaurant closed for the winter.
Oh.
Why does it say open on that side then?
I don't know. Maybe let's go on that side. Totally would fish here. Dang, that's heavy.
There's 18 and 5 for you.
Thank you very much. I haven't had corn nuts in forever, and I saw them and I was like, nah, I need to get these. Alright guys, so we stopped. We're gonna climb this old building that we found. Just why not? What better way to spend Martin Luther King Jr. Day of goodness than climbing old buildings?
And eat chips.
Exactly. So yeah, check it out. This is cool. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. All right. Guess we gotta climb it. What's up? That's scary right here. Because there's nothing beneath me except for that board that's definitely not that good.
Why did we do this?
Because it was here.
And it's tall.
And it's tall. Look at this. Oh, that's creepy. Got it. We're home.
Yay.
CM baby. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Jared and I had a blast at Palouse Falls. We got to take a lot of great pictures as well once the fog cleared. If you want to see any of those, link to my Instagram is in the description. And yeah, we're going to continue to go on great hikes. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. That link is also in the description, or you could just hit the subscribe button. That's so much easier. And yeah, in the meantime, make sure to adventure, discover, and explore. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.